Ah, there she is. Little Sprite that we brought home last fall. And we've been plugging away at it. I should say I've been plugging away at it whenever I could for the last few months. And anyway, before I go any further, I just wanted to do a video update as to what I had to do. Oh my god, the work. Anyway, I had to pretty much reframe the whole camper. Had to redo the windows, remount them, reinstall them. As you can see, the floor has been totally removed. I reinforced and redid the floor under members, under frame, carriage, whatever you want to call it. And yeah, so wheel wells will be going on shortly. And I just wanted to do this quick little update and show you what it looks like right now, because the next time you see a video, the floor will be down and hopefully I'll have a lot of the walls up. One of the main problems I'm having right now is finding a proper roof fit that fits that hole. That's a challenge, but other than that, she's coming together nice. And it doesn't look like much right now, but we'll be camping before the end of the summer. Anyway, talk soon. Okay, here we are now, still working on the Sprite trailer, and we have Mr. Roger. Say hi, Roger.
Oh, hi. Who are you talking to?
I'm making a video of our incredible journey here. We're putting in a custom trailer hitch in the back of the Sprite. And if you look inside, hey Raj, there's Raj again. And we're putting this piece of metal and weld it to the subframe of the unit. And yeah, it's gonna look awesome. I'll show you when it's done. Bye. Alright, we're back in the Sprite, and guess what? We've got 4 feet of flooring in. Look at that. Beautiful. Fits like a glove. Got the wheel wells in. Ready to go. Keep plugging away. Pretty soon we'll have the finished product. We're going camping. Alright, so it's been a little while since we've been back to the caravan. Did a A few more improvements since we last talked. I've got the frame in for the kitchen area, which is going to hold the sink and the refrigerator and the original stovetop. Earlier we talked and I showed you a vertical dish rack that's now installed in the original cabinet. Not sure if I'm too crazy about it, but it works. And, what can I say? Painted some of the cabinets. These were again original storage uppers that go over the kitchen table. I've added the cushions are new. Decided to go with a nice bright red color. I think it looks kind of cool, and opted out for basic outdoor patio cushions as opposed to getting custom made done. Storage cabinet is done. That was last time you saw that was framed. Little wine cupboard I'm going to make down there, and this is a little spring-loaded latch. Holds quite a bit of stuff, so that's going to be a nice little addition. The pine is all done. Even had a little hook. Found that somewhere in the pile of parts that we ended up with, but yeah, they're coming together. So this is almost the finished product. Just have to install that little light up there and clean up some of the pine, and obviously just install the two-way refrigerator, the cooktop, and the little sink. Anyway, a little update on the Caravan. Having a lot of fun with this, and gonna go camping real soon. It is now August 23rd, so you never know, might be able to get a camp in before the end of the summer. Talk soon, guys.